Hello my friends, we're back again. Today's project is we're gonna recoat this broken concrete that I covered on the stairs. You could see here some of it chipped up. A lot of it is right here vertically, over here, down here. So what I'm going to show you is step by step how to repair this using the following products. First thing we need is make sure you get the fast setting vertical overhead repair motor. Otherwise, if you use regular motor on the vertical surfaces, it will just fall off after a while. Tools we need a spatula, trowel, wire brush, because we're gonna wire all the extra cement left over there after we clean it, mixing paddle, measuring bucket, an extra bucket for water as you go. So let me show you how to get started. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and chip some of this loose material. Don't go crazy. If it's not loose, leave it alone. You could hear from the sound, this is ready to go. So chip it, break it up. If it's solid, leave it alone. Otherwise, you're creating a bigger problem for yourself. So chip this off. You could hear it when it's hollow. It sounds different. You could tell it's hollow. This is solid. You hear that noise? That's solid. We're not gonna touch that. We're gonna go ahead and chip this over here and continue doing it all the way down. Then we're gonna come back, scrape it, clean it, and we'll go to the next step. As you can see, I chipped off all the loose stuff. It's quite a bit of it here and there. If there's a small hairline crack like this one here, tap on it. If it sounds solid, leave it alone. Don't create any more problems. So we took all this down. You can see down here on the bottom was pretty bad. Over here and over here. The rest of it is pretty solid actually, so we're gonna leave it alone. So now what we're gonna do is clean this up and use a wire brush to clean all the extra leftover dry cement. After applying the scratch coat, I'm gonna go ahead with my trowel and fill it in and level it with the existing concrete. And then we'll let it set for a little while, then we'll come back and brush it off to even it out with the existing height of the old concrete. It's been about hour and a half since we've done this. It's dry, very dry. Give it more time. It's holding great. Wait until at least another day or so before you allow water on it. If you do this and it's gonna rain, do not do it, because it will ruin everything you did. So you gotta wait for a nice dry, minimum 24 hours, and it will hold wonderful. On the next video, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna recoat this whole thing with epoxy and sand and give it a nice textured look with a beautiful color. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. It cost us something like $50 for materials. The rest was pretty much just my time. It took me about 2 hours to do this. If you hired a mason, this would probably cost you at least $1,000 or more. It's something you can do on a weekend and it comes out great. You also have the option of painting over this, which I did in the past, but now I'm going to change the whole look of this. I appreciate watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Please subscribe to the channel, as we have many more videos coming out to show you more odd jobs. Have a great day.